Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the assembly of the chassis. So let us see the parts required. We need the chassis parts, 2 wheels, caster wheel, motor driver, battery, 2 motors and battery snapper. So let us start the assembly now. First of all, we will connect this chassis parts. So this is the main chassis board and we have to connect these 2 parts at the side in this way and this part at the front in this way. So these 2 parts are mainly for holding the motors and this front part is for holding the caster wheel and the sensor. So let us start connecting. So to connect this part with the chassis board, we have to use nut and bolt. So for that we will be using this bolt, this big one. So insert the bolt through the hole, a screwdriver, and fix the bolt by using the nut. Similarly, insert the other bolt and fix it. So I have connected this part. Similarly, connect this part on the left side and this part on the front side. So we have connected all the parts to the chassis, as you can see. And now we will connect this caster wheel to this chassis. This is connected for balancing. So when we connect the wheels at the back, so to balance the wheel at the front, we need this caster wheel. So we have to place the caster wheel such that the 3 holes of the caster wheel aligns with the 3 holes of the this chassis piece. So first of all, place the caster wheel nicely, and then we have to insert this bolt, the small bolt we have in the kit. So insert the bolt to the hole. And fix this bolt using the nut. Use this small nut. Fix them one by one. So we have connected the caster wheel. Now we will connect the motors to our chassis. So for that, take the motor and align it with the chassis in this way. As you can see, there are 2 holes in the front side of the motor. So we have to place the motor such a way that these 2 holes align with this part, and then we will fix this using bolt. We will be using this bolt. So you will have 2 types of bolts like this in your kit. One a smaller one and one a bigger one. The smaller one we will be using for the wheel and the bigger one we will be using for the motor. So insert the bolt through the hole. Use a screwdriver. So we have connected the motor to this part using the bolts. Similarly, connect the other motor to this part. So we have connected the motors on both the sides, as you can see. And now we will attach this motor driver on this chassis. To attach the motor driver, we have to use this long bolt. Insert this long bolt through the 2 holes of the motor driver and then insert 4 spacer on each bolt. After this, we will hold the balls in this way and insert it through the chassis. We are inserting in this way such that there is gap between the motor driver and the chassis, and fix this bolt using the nuts. Use these nuts. So we have attached the motor driver to the chassis, and now we will attach the wheels to the motors. Take this wheel, as you can see there is a grip here. Insert the wheel through the shaft of the motor in this way and fix it using the bolt that we have shown before. So we have connected the wheels on both the sides, and now we will place the battery. So this is the rechargeable battery. We just have to place it here like this, and then we will use this snapper to connect the motor driver to this battery. So in the snapper, if you can see, there are wires. So we will be using these two wires for connecting it to the motor driver, the black one for the negative and the red one for the positive. So if you see in the motor driver, so there is a positive terminal here, negative for the voltage, and this one is MA12, MB12. So this MA is for this motor and this MB is for this motor. So first of all, let us connect the snapper. So for that we will just loose the screws. And insert the battery snapper, the red one to the positive. Insert it carefully and then fix it. Make sure that your wire doesn't come out. Then similarly insert the black one and then fix it. Now we will connect this motor cable to the motor driver. So this is the motor cable. It has two wires. So connect one of the pin. This red pin I am connecting it to MA2, and this black pin I am connecting to MA1. Similarly connect the other motor. So we have connected the motor cable to the motor driver. So with this the assembly of the chassis is completed.